Love trip na nakawin laman ng bangko. This is legit. Like, they're very serious about it. Like, they're very serious in convincing me na si Hergy is nanakawan ako. Kasi daw, ninakawan din daw sila. Gusto niya ng sample. The one that she's talking about is yung sasakyan ko na Montero na aagawin daw ni Hergy, nanakawan. Tapos sabi nga, tama-tama sa bangko ka nag-work. Baka lahat ng pera dyan ibigay mo sa kanya kasi nagayuma ka na niya. What? Tapos nag-message na naman sa akin yung ex niya na ex number 1, yung 6 years ago niyang ex. Sabi niya, ayan, I heard you still talking to Hergy from the recent ex-girlfriend. Just to let you know, Hergy's dating another woman who's older than the rest of us while talking to you and 3 other girls. I don't want to victim blame kasi if you feel like you're the victim, it's okay kasi it's your story eh. And it's your side and I understand and I respect that. I just felt it weird kasi bakit niyo ba ako wino-warn? Who am I? I mean, like, sino ba ako para iligtas niyo? Kasi that's what they are trying to say eh, na they're just, you know, nililigtas lang nila ako. They wanted to warn me that they're just gonna do this to me. And nanakawan ako, peperahan ako. At first, naniwala kasi talaga ako sa kanila. They made me believe that Hergy's like this, like that. That Hergy is a bad person. And I'm the next bait. And since nakitaan daw ako ng parang, siguro ng parang pagkakataon na parang nakakuha daw ng isda, malaking isda, parang ganun. I told them nga na wala naman makukuha sa akin, Hergy. So imagine what I was dealing that time. Kasi heartbroken din ako noon. Kakabreak lang namin 2 weeks ago nung ex ko. Tapos, dahil pegadaanan. And then here, meron akong pinapasok na another situation na parang, ano ba to? Panibagong bato-bato na ipupukpok sa ulo. Parang ganun yung pakiramdam. I was like, ano ba itong ginagawa ko? Bakit pa ako nakikisala sa gulo nila? Eh, may sarili akong mga problema na kailangan asikasuhin. So, moving forward, it went really chaotic. And, grabe, mas lumala ang mga pangyayari. Kasi yung mga ex, like, triggered sila, girl. Like, parang, the question is parang, why are you still talking to Hergy? Parang ganun. Eh, we warned you na nga na she's like this and like that. Nung una kay Hergy ako natatakot. But when they told me that Hergy's like this, Hergy's like that, and knowing na ang tagal mo ng ex, parang sa kanila na ako natakot. Kasi yung obsession nila ang lala na. And so what kung ginastusan mo siya ng travel? And so what kung nilibre mo siya ng lunch, ng dinner? And so what kung pinatattoo mo siya? It's normal naman numbat sa ending. But it's not normal kung 6 years